was out. We are independent, brave children of this brave mother of Bengal. Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians was out. In the sky of Bengal, in the air of Bengal, I have played in the lap of Bengali mother. Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, and Christians was out. In 1971, they wanted to erase the name of Bengal from the world map. We have written again in the bloodstream. We are on live as the name of Bengal. Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians was out. Even today, they keep shouting loudly whenever they get a chance. They say, "Leave Bengal, leave Bengal, leave Bengal. All Hindus leave Bengal." The blood of Pakistan has flowed in their bodies. They are the invaders of Pakistan. They are weaving dreams in the Bengali. In the Bengal was out. We are independent, brave children of this brave mother of Bengal. Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists, and Christians. Be careful.